Hey guys, let's do a quick update for you. Remember this balcony solar station, which consists of just like two panels, panel number one and panel number two, both in series. Here is the joints of them. And these are exactly these kind of panels, which are longest 645 watts each. Here are the parameters. You can clearly see what they are. And well, it works, and we have a little bit of sun even right now, so let me show you that it blinks. Yeah, you have seen it clearly. And right now it's about 5 p.m. These days, so let's go and check on the inverter. How do they behave, and what do they produce, and how do they behave in time? Okay, and here exactly, that's the inverter side. This is the Duxtrom 6.2 kilowatts. The one that actually starts charging from as low as 55 volts. And at this exact moment, just like a fraction of time after I went from the balcony to the place where the set up is, you see 864 watts right now at this exact moment. And I mean, in a day, these two panels, they can produce up to 3, 4, 5 kilowatt hours. And I mean, that's already very good enough for the small apartment, but of course it's not enough. So we are using again the night tariff trick. So the panels are getting switch off obviously once the sun goes out. And when we have the night tariff, which happens at 11 p.m. or 23:00 military time, and down to 7 a.m. in the morning, the battery is kept charged by 100% by the AC, by the grid. And here we have, if you remember the box, right now, as you can clearly see, the relay functions in an off mode. So at this exact time, it has the schedule to be off because we are living directly from solar and battery whenever the sun goes down. So up until the night comes. And yeah, so I don't know what to tell you, but overall, I'm more than happy of the stats. How does this system has been proving itself to work? And all you need is a place for proper installation of a system. And only like 2, 3, 4 hours of this kind of work will already give you enough power to cover your essential loads. That's all you need. And the rest of the day, I mean, it can go for as low as 50 watts, 100 watts, 200 watts, but it just depends on the sun and on the weather and on the clouds. But for now, I'm definitely happy how does the system work. So that was the short update for you for today. If you want to check how this all was set up, please find the link to the video down under the description. There will be several connected ones. How this power bank was set up, also I will give you a little video. How this battery bank was assembled. It's a DIY kit. I did it on my own like half a year ago, and it keeps working fine and will be working fine without any issues. Let's take a look how the voltage is different is. That's crazy, you see. They are even, perfectly even. And they will be, because what for should they go into this balance? So anyways, a lot of useful videos will be under the video in the description, so feel free to check them and feel free to ask questions in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe for more of this kind of content.